So it's just after 5 a.m. I've been driving for the last 2 hours. I am exhausted. So I'm gonna take a little nap for about an hour, hour and a half. Hopefully this all pays off. Already off to a bad start. So a lot of people think I'm a little crazy on this trip, but a few weeks ago I was trying to find something to do, looking at dinners, looking at road trips, and it's going to cost me $100 or so. And then I came across this flight round trip to Miami for $109. How could I pass that up? I mean, you just can't. So I left my house at 7 p.m. tonight, and in 40 hours I'll be returning back. I have no hotel. I'm going to rent a car and have a great adventure. So looks like planes are taking off, so we're going to take off and see what we can do. So I made it to Miami. It's about 2 a.m. That was a crazy flight. So I didn't get any sleep. But I have about 2-hour drive to get down to the Keys, and hopefully I get a good sunrise. Let's see what we can do. So it's just after 7 a.m. and the sun's starting to come up. So I'm hiking out to find a good spot for some photos. Hopefully I can find something good. I'm 12 hours into this birthday adventure. It's been a 2.5-hour flight, couple hour drive, an hour of sleep in the back of a Jeep. I think I see one more composition I'm going to go try to take a photograph of. I found some cool older looking dead trees over here, and yeah, this is looking really cool from over here. I'm going to see if I can come up with a cool shot or two. Well, I'm all done on Bahia Honda. The sun is now up. It's getting a little bit too bright. Highlights are getting a little blown out, so it's time to move on and get some breakfast. But this place is gorgeous. Highly recommend it to stop by here if you're ever down in the Keys. So we're now 14 hours into my birthday adventure. Stop number 1's done. But right now, I need some coffee. Strong coffee. So I rented this Jeep while I was here. I mean, of course. It's a Jeep thing. 13 hours into my birthday trip. I've left the Keys. I'm back in Miami. I've had a wardrobe change, and I'm gonna hit up the Wynwood Walls. Okay, we're now 21 hours into this birthday adventure, and that beer really kind of knocked me out. It was 13% and it was really good. So I'm gonna head to South Beach, lay down, maybe take a nap, soak in some sun, and it's time to go swimming in Florida. Because it's spring break, right? My birthday. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Once you're in it, oh, it feels amazing. Hang out all day. Fortunately, the wind from this morning has now reached South Beach. And so I only got about an hour to hang out. Oh well, I probably would have burnt anyway. But it was fun. Now I'll have to go see what some of this Art Deco architecture. Looks like I'm going to go to dinner now. Find myself a good meal, good beer. Finish out the night on a strong note. Okay, this windstorm that came in is kind of crazy, and it's totally cleared the beach. You can see over my shoulder here. We're now 24 hours into this birthday adventure, and I'm on wardrobe number 4. Thought I'd get out of the wet clothes from the beach and get ready for a brew pub where I found some great burgers to have tonight, and hopefully I can find a good birthday dessert. So good. What did we just find? I'm seeing a whole bunch of awesome vintage cars. A few BMWs in there. Let's go take a look. So we're now 33 hours since I left my house in Hoboken. So that quite possibly could have been the shortest trip I've ever done. I've been to the Keys, I went to the Wynwood Walls, went to South Beach. Had a great time. It was an awesome birthday. Definitely Nader approved. I did try to fly my Karma. It's a little too windy, and unfortunately I crashed it. So I took a risk and I paid for it. But thankfully I still have it. I didn't lose it. I just broke an arm and a couple propellers. That's okay. Fix it, fly another day.